37, Chad Lounsbury. 68, Richie Schinderling. 11, Josh Thiering. 6 cars for 8 laps. Good start. Tighten up off of 2. High side with the momentum. Swings ahead. Robert Rauscher leader. Chad Lounsbury into second and in a hurry. Thiering to the outside of Legui. Oh, Lounsbury dives to the inside for the lead. Door to door with Roush. Everybody side by side in turn 4. Legui, kick save and a beauty. 3 cars now up front for the lead. Lounsbury and the 37 to the bottom side of Roush. Thiering from 6th in 3rd in the mix for the lead. Closing up on halfway. Schinderling now getting out of that scrum for 4th and running down the lead trio. 4 scored, 4 to go. We are halfway through the Roadrunner Heat 2 and they're scrambling. Lounsbury out front on his own now. Thiering to the inside of Roush with the open track on the bottom. Here comes Schinderling once into that top 3. 3 laps to go. Lounsbury a little sideways in the middle of the corner. A little tight. And now protects a little bit on the bottom. That's not helping him. Roush up the hill. Opens the door for Schinderling for 3rd. 2 to go. Here comes Thiering going after Lounsbury for the lead. Thiering way down low. Lounsbury kind of puts him there, but they're still able to race. White flag coming. 1 to go. Battle for the lead. Battle for 3rd. For the win, they're door to door in 3 and 4. It is Lounsbury. Roush holds on to 3rd, half a car ahead of Schinderling in the 68. Thiering will settle for 2nd in the 11 car after charging from the back. And your winner at Kickstart Roadrunner Heat Race number 2. Car 37 from Beloit. That's a good looking car this year too. Heads on down to the victory area. How about a nice hand for Chad Lounsbury?